The closet doors are getting attention for this maintenance. The house featured bifold metal doors, removed for the initial renovation. They were placed outside and carefully covered, but moisture got to them, and there was some rusting. In this episode, the doors are put back in service, at least one of them. Expect the video not to show the painting, and Kofi skipped some prep steps. The video does cover the hardware and the installation is in depth. But first, a little manners. Oh, the footage captures Kofi's experience, and parts are in the description. A journey of home renovation and maintenance. Welcome to Maintaining 18. A rust treatment is used to stop the rust from worsening and have a longer lasting paint finish. Now comes time for the hardware. The bottom threaded pivot pin is being installed and in arbitrary order. The bottom threaded pivot pin has a spring clamp to be replaced by a pivot rod clamp. The bottom threaded pin takes a bit more time to install. It has to be screwed into place. Kofi had to make some adjustments to get the depth just right and found a way to speed things along. Easy does it, and the spring-loaded pins are installed to the top, one on each side. A guide pin is now being installed. This section of the door will move from left to right, allowing the door to open. This is different from the bottom threaded pin in that it slides right in and is secured using a nut. Kofi is using the pin to align the spring clamp in the track. The spring clamps will receive the pivot pins. Kofi is ensuring that the top and bottom tracks, the location of the spring clamp, agree. The track has to be squared to the opening. The carpet is laid over concrete. To secure the track, a hole must be drilled into the concrete. Well, things aren't going so well. Not for the medium duty drill Kofi has. Although underpowered, Kofi was expecting the drill to slowly work its way to the concrete. That was a complete failure. There was a piece of wood there. The drill bit went through it, but barely dented the concrete below. As luck would have it, the proper tool for the job was on sale. An 8-pound hammer drill. And in less than 5 seconds, the hole is drilled. There was a bulge in the middle. Another screw was added to keep the track flat. The top track is installed using construction screws. It's much easier as it goes into the wood framing member. Your narrator thinks the project turned out pretty well, and here is the final reveal. The top spring clamp kept coming loose, causing the door to slant. The screw was removed, a hole drilled, and a longer screw used to secure the spring clamp directly into the framing member. This solved the problem. To all those who subscribe, farewell. Consider a subscription. Thank you for watching.